Hello everyone, this is Balck the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I'm going to show you some more garments we made for Inga. Have a close look at the blouse she's wearing. This is the lace the blouse was made of. We didn't even use the scallops when sewing this blouse. You can use any type of lace you want. Have a close look at the blouse. The most interesting thing about it is that the base fabric isn't black, it's beige. This blouse reminds of a bomber jacket, but there are the raglan sleeves in it. We had been planning to sew a bomber jacket, but then we decided not to insert a zipper here on the front. The blouse looks good enough this way. These are the raglan sleeves. We could make them due to the fact that we decided not to make a bomber jacket. Notice that there are the darts in the sleeves here. This is one of the main features of the raglan sleeves. The sleeves are edged with the elastics at the bottom. It's a very nice winter blouse. It's made of crepe and lace. The sleeves and the neckline were edged with the elastics. We've already showed you this skirt in one of the previous videos. Have a close look at the raglan sleeves. This is how they are supposed to look like. These are the regular chest darts. We've decided to show you this video for you to understand that lace can be used for sewing not only evening clothes. You can sew casual lace clothes as well. I also do have some casual lace clothes. They're very beautiful and comfortable at the same time. We've showed you a review of the lace blouse. Next, we're going to show you one more garment with the raglan sleeves. Inga is going to change her clothes. The only thing which is similar in the two garments are the raglan sleeves. All the other details are different. Have a look at Inga. She is wearing a dress with the raglan sleeves. There are also the darts in the sleeves. They make the shoulders fit the body perfectly. The dress is very comfortable. Here is the chest dart. I've already showed you how to make perfect darts in the garments for big sizes. Notice that there is also a princess seam here. It goes down on the bottom and ends with a slit. The dress is lined. There is also a short chest dart here. The fabric is very soft to the touch. I love the slits on the front. This is a very comfortable winter dress. Notice that the raglan sleeves in the dress look a bit different from the ones in the blouse. The both variants are right. Guys, I love raglan sleeves. They are not only beautiful, but also very comfortable. As I've already said, the dress is lined. The sleeves are lined as well. It's very important to make beautiful, accurate lining. Inga can roll the sleeves up this way. They would also look very stylish in this case. The dress is very comfortable due to the slits on the front. They let Inga get in and out of the car without any problems. I love such comfy winter garments. I don't ever go to the special shops for people of big sizes. The clothes they sell make us look even bigger than we really are. How can it possibly be acceptable for us? We want to look smaller than we really are. This is why we prefer to buy accurate, high-quality garments. Guys, let's be different and beautiful together. I'm working really hard to make it come true. We show you a lot of different useful designs and techniques. A lot of people tell me that my tutorials are useful for them. It makes me really happy to know that I and my videos inspire you. I'm sure that every one of you will manage to make such accurate winter dresses. The best thing about this dress is that it can be put on both to work and for a special occasion, to a restaurant, for example. Just try to find some beautiful matching accessories. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Balck, Irina, Inga, and the tailors who made these amazing garments. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.